All right, we're at 5818 Little Grove Drive in Pearland for Mr. Boyd, claim number 1215473. Originally, Tuya wrote for 7 shingles to be repaired, replaced only 7. Here's 2 of them right here, this shingle and that shingle there. We're gonna attempt to do a repair. In order to put new starter strip and new shingles right here, I have to unseal this shingle, this shingle, this shingle, and that shingle. The top of the first row is going to extend all the way to here. So I have to remove these nails from this shingle, as well as the shingles of the wind damaged ones. So let's give this a run real quick. Well, I can't even get that first shingle done without my hatchet. As you can see, I'm being extremely gentle, but yeah, this is completely destroying the very first one that I'm trying to unseal. I have to unseal this one and this one in order to pull the first set of nails and this set of nails to be able to slide a new shingle underneath here. But let's keep going. Let's try over here. Being really, really gentle. Nope, look. Ripped it. Torn right there. I can't even unseal these shingles in order to do this repair. Look, this is the 3rd shingle we've tried to unseal, and the hatchet keeps busting through because it's too brittle. This roof is not repairable, and we will send in the photos. Thank you.